What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Anthony here, back with another video, back with another unboxing video, because my second mod has came in. Well, I can't even keep up with all these mods, man. Like, it's not the second, it's not the third, it's sure not the last. But this one, excuse the background. I'm moving to a new spot that y'all get a chance to see soon. But like, I'm so glad that this has came in, because it's gonna match my other mod, which y'all seen was my ZL1 1LE splitter. So now this one, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's check this out. Ooh, y'all see it right there. That ZL1 1LE rear wing is here. Yo, yes. Ooh, this bad baby here. I'm so ready for it. Now, let's go ahead and crack this bad baby open. Okay, this is it. This is what you all been waiting for, and so have I. Wow! Wow! Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, this is gonna look so sick. Look at that. It matches the exact same as the splitter. Underneath it come with the pre-drilled holes. I figure this is one thing I dislike about it so far, is that they could have put the stanchions on there, because this one here, I ordered the high wing version, so the same identical height that comes on the ZL1 1LE. So I figured they could have put that on there for me, and I'm gonna put it on the couch so we can see how big it is. Like, look how big that is. It's pretty much the size of my couch right here, which is crazy. And it also comes with these right here, like the stanchions. These are the 3 stanchions. Now, those are not carbon fiber, but it comes with these 3 stanchions that goes underneath it, of course, and the screws. So they give you that. So that's not bad. I can't wait to get it on the car. This is gonna look awesome. I know some manufacturers, they like having the drilled holes here. I like that they don't have that. It's one piece. It's molded like that. So that means it's going to get the most performance out of it. And yeah, so that's it, guys. That's the new mod I added to the channel. That's the unboxing of the ZL1 1LE carbon fiber wing, I shall say, from C7 Carbon. That's how it comes in. I wanted to show you guys how it comes in. Some people think it comes with the whole wing. Some people think it comes in pieces. So I just want to clear that up so you guys can see it firsthand, that it does come in pieces and you put it together yourself. And the box weighed it was pretty light. It weighed about 15 pounds. So that's pretty awesome. So that's what I want to share with you guys. And stay tuned for next videos. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will do an install video and show you the aftermath of how it looks on 4.6 Gen. So stay tuned.